How to set Zedge ringtones on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how you can easily set ringtones from Zedge on your Android device. First thing you have to do is install Zedge application from your Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app is installed, go ahead and tap on Open app. Now there are some initial setups you need to do, so click on Accept and Continue. You can allow notifications if you want, but I'll just leave it there. Now I'll just go ahead and skip this. All you have to do next is find the Ringtones tab at the bottom. Tap on Ringtones, and you'll be headed over to this tab. Now select any one of the ringtones that you want to set. I'll just select this one. You can hear it if you want after playing it. Now, if you want to set this as your ringtone, tap on the download button at the bottom. Then tap on Set Ringtone. Then allow the system permission for Zedge. Once you've done that, go back and you should be able to update your ringtone. Now, let me just quickly show you guys. I'll head over to Settings, then go to Sound and Vibration. Go to ringtone, and as you can see here, the ringtone has been selected from the Zedge app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.